Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on World Animal Day, yes, Tuesday, October the 4th, 2022, I've already solved two puzzles. Sudoku with 3 stars and a Sudoku with 4 stars. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. And yeah, it's time for the binary time, boys and girls. Yes, binary time. And this will be number 5274. 5274. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Whew. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means 8 by 8 that in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, the second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Of course, because between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes in 0. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Cannot believe this without comparing. We solve it again without no comparing. Well, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.